Hi, my name is Rex. I took over those two guys' channel, and well, I hope they get lots of likes. And well, they were two weirdos, so this is my channel now. I own it. It's mine.
I'm gonna go troll people.
I'm gonna go troll Houston, and I'm gonna beat them up. And now, my people need me. My people need me. Rex.
No, my people need me.
Oh God, what just happened? I just woke up. I think someone's trying to take over our channel.
What?
Dominator, do you know who this guy is trying to take over our channel?
No.
I wonder what his name is.
All I found was this cute bird. Cute bird.
What's on his face?
I don't know. Probably some of his food. He does have dried berries in his food.
Oh. Touch. Touch.
Oh, I don't know. That's all I found on the stairs was this cute bird.
Oh, I think the guy that tried to take our channel escaped. So, yeah, we'll end the video there. Try and find the guy, but when we find him, we'll tell you. And as always, peace out, internet.
The bird says peace out.